engine's beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%.
In 1997, I was the world champion in 125. In 1999, I was the world champion in 250. And in 2001, I'm the world champion of 500.
Enter a world where the sky's the limit.
Motogp World Championship, one of the most exciting shows on Earth, consisting of 16 Grand Prix held worldwide and during 9 months visiting the 5 continents.
Welcome to the high-tech show.
MotoGP is fantastic.
Mate, I love the MotoGP.
First held in 1949, it is today made possible thanks to more than 1,800 professionals, from riders to technicians, from TV crews to stewards. 3 categories per event: the best motorcycle factories, the most innovative technology, and the best riders on the planet compete for the world title. MotoGP is the perfect showcase, with 3,246 broadcasting hours, 208 countries reached, giving 5,271 million viewers worldwide throughout the season. 192 countries received live television coverage. 3,249 accredited members of the press. The most up-to-date technology, making it possible to keep the fans informed through the internet and the Watt telephone system. Lovers of excitement. More than 1.5 million spectators experience firsthand the passion, the fun, and the glory. 70% are between 15 and 35 years old. 87% of them will come back next year.
I love MotoGP. This is the best sport on earth. It's better than men.
MotoGP, it's the best, it's the fastest, you get the best girls here, you get the best bikes, it's great. Come on down.
With more than 30 television cameras at each circuit and live coverage all around the world, Motogp offers tailor-made opportunities for international companies to promote their brands on and off the track. Title sponsor is an exclusive opportunity to dress a GP with your brand everywhere. From the grid lane to the podium, from bridges to hospitality, from the stationary to the official program. Motogp is the perfect medium for all major brands, and it reaches the world thanks to its unrivaled and constantly improving television coverage. Official product supplier is the perfect way to associate your products with the best two wheels championship in the world. Any major company can benefit from more than 30 cameras at each circuit. Specifically designed onboard micro cameras mounted on 26 bikes every race. And unilateral and multilateral satellite feeds to guarantee a worldwide television coverage of the Motogp World Championship. Join the list of successful products involved in Motogp that include everything imaginable, from video games to credit cards. The possibilities are limitless, while the rewards are infinite. Motogp products, just as exciting as the races. The VIP Village offers high-quality ambience for corporate entertainment with the finest facilities and services. The VIP guests are offered the opportunity to experience in a private atmosphere the special flavor of elite motorcycling racing. Motogp. You have to be there.